Hey, I'm Mark, and today I'm draining the water out of the kiln. It's been 2 days since I drained anything, and this is the 10th day that the mantel's been in here. So today it's coming out. I've already released the vacuum, so there's no pressure, and I shut the heaters off in there a couple hours ago. So I'm right at 5 gallons plus whatever I get today. And I'm going to guess that I'm going to get a gallon. That's 64 ounces. That's a half gallon. I redid some of the plumbing, use a larger pipe so I can drain it every other day instead of every day. Lessen my workload a little bit. So that looks like about 26 ounces. So that brings us to about 5 3/4 gallons out of that one mantle, which is a little more than my target. So we'll pull it out and see what the moisture meter says. And we appreciate y'all watching.